Welcome back, everybody, to our SMCI update for this week. Price is pulling back. Yes, I know there's selling pressure happening. So, in this video, we have to discuss what's going on and where the price would go and where the market maker and will buy back SMCI. In the meantime, remember, guys, our content here is just for educational purposes and will not provide any financial advice, and we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. And of course, we are down 4%. Volume is getting lower because we have 100 million, 50 million, now is 11 million. This is understandable because we got a new level where the shorts at their position, which is around the 46.64 from the last level that we discussed before. It was around the 48. So what's the game plan for now for SMCI? Because as you can see here in the big picture, technically we're still in the bullish side since the earnings, the last two earnings back in the 12th of May when we jumped from the 35. Yes, and now we are around the 44. So as you can see here from the big picture, we still consolidating sideways because now we pulling back toward the 40 and the 39 level. If we want to check how much percentage down, we almost have almost 10%. So even if we pull back 10%, we might trigger the whale buying around this spot. Why is that? Because of course the whale buying, once we've got a discount, they don't buy on formal level when we have a new high. No, they buying when we have when they see there's a discount price for SMCI level. So from my opinion, we got the 40 and the 39, 40.80 and the 39.17 could be the trigger for the whale. Once we tested, we might have our reversal. And how we confirm that is clearly from the chart, which is around this level, guys, the 46.64. This is the level that we should watch out for, because once we break it, we're gonna have a nice jump toward the 51.64, and after that the 55. We're gonna discuss this price on our Discord, where we discuss today many other stocks and our watch list alerts. Today we discuss LASE. Once the price was around the $4.86. Before that, even before the market open, guys, we discussed LASE because we always do watch list update for our King and Elite members. So if you are on the Discipline Hunter, you can upgrade, and if you are not, you can join us over there in the pre-market where we do this our watch list. As you can see here today, LSE or LASE was before the 44, and of course after that we have a really good jump from there, and we went until the $4.80 and the $5.59. So those updates, we always, as we said, we do it on our Discord. So if you want to join, the link comes section below. In the meantime, remember, guys, SMCI is still below the resistance and not that far away from it, and near the support that we might have a reversal from. So we're gonna discuss SMCI tomorrow on our live streaming, and 30 minutes or 15 minutes before the market open, we always do our live streaming. And before that, don't forget to join our Discord, and the link comes section below for major update watch list. If you want to have access to Jesus watch list, of course the link in comments section below to have access to entry and exit for those stocks every day. I mean every day, not just yesterday or today. Tomorrow we have another opportunity in the market. This is what's good in the market. If you miss a good entry for today, there's always a good entry for tomorrow. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you by tomorrow on Wednesday to catch another unicorn and of course discuss SMCI in depth. Thank you for watching.